Two words changed my life forever. Breast cancer. Who do I tell about it? Where do I go for help? Will I survive? I felt so alone. I remembered my friend Carla, who last year had been diagnosed. She survived those two awful words, and I was determined I would too. I recall that she was very happy about the care she received, but I couldn't remember the name.
Crichton Olive and Dunn Surgical Group.
A diagnosis of breast cancer is one that affects everyone I care about. I researched the local hospitals and big cancer institutes online, but after hearing Carla's story,
Dr. Crichton has decades of experience in breast cancer, and Dr. Biggers is the area's only fellowship-trained physician in breast surgical oncology.
the first thing they gave me was hope. Hope through experience, an accurate diagnosis, and multiple treatment options that fit my needs and lifestyle. They were with my family and me every step of the way, from diagnosis to treatment and a full recovery. So now two words are gone from my vocabulary, and they've been replaced by new ones. Thank you.